Alright everybody, welcome back for an unboxing and review. This is my first real review, so I'm going to try to do it short and sweet and to the point on this one. It's one of my favorite boats. It's going to be a lot of fun. So we're just getting ready to unbox here. We got our mascot Nico the cat hanging out on this box because it smells like my house. Because this box was delivered, shut it off. This box was delivered last December. Very, very long time ago. Shut it off. So, without further ado, and the cat having himself a righteous bath right here in the middle of our shot. Nico! Nico. Hey, buddy. You like the lights? Huh? You like the lights? It's nice and bright here. Alright. Alright, let's get down to the gritty fun. This thing has been literally sealed in my house since it got delivered last December. I put it away wanting to do this review and unboxing, and it's just been busy. So I'm really excited to get this done. It's going to be fun. Flip it over. Hold on. Stop. You're doing it the hard way. Flip it over. Over. And now pull the box off. Hey. Get over there and look.
Nico's gonna like that box.
The 30-inch UL-19. The big box. That is for sure. Accounting for intelligence.
Is it coming? For some of this tape. I was getting there. That is straight on.
Man, what a pretty boat. Too bad they didn't take the extra second to finish it and put the stickers under the gloss. Holy moly, what the hell? Dude, who closed this boat up? I can't even spin that. Jeez. God, it makes me wish I opened it sooner just to seriously cranked all the way down. Holy. The heck do you guys got working there putting these things together? See, it comes with a very nice, very large canopy. I got some loose fiberglass on mine. Alright, instruction manual. Remote everybody's seen 100 times, I'm sure. Again, I'm just going to throw it out there. Horizon, you bought tower, you got the Armadillo. You need to take this design and use it for your basic remotes because these are garbage and these are nice. So, bring them back. At least for the Arma vehicles, if nothing else. Oops. Alright. This was the first electric boat I ever got. And I made a wonderful decision and I picked up these SMC batteries with it. To start, these are what most people would think were entirely too large. These are 10,500 milliamp. 2 cells. So in this boat, 4S is enough for about 47, 48 miles an hour, if not more, depending on setup. I was able to get almost 50 out of its stock. And with those batteries, I was also able to get about 3-minute runs, good ones. Looks good. I love this boat. This is one of my favorite boats to drive. It just flies, jumps up out of the water, gets going on the 2 front pontoons and takes off. So I do recommend if you're going to run this on 6S or anything more than 4S, you have some really flat water because it'll get airborne real quick. And when you get them airborne, you can do some interesting things to them. The last time I was running this, I almost hit myself. And you can see that it landed backwards. I'm gonna repair that guy. But considering all, it took the hit pretty well. It's gonna get repaired. I got some plans for this guy. I'm gonna try to do some custom work. Change him up a little bit. Things to look out for. You do want to make sure. There have been some people that told me they had some frame problems. So when you get your hole, make sure and check it. You don't have any weak spots. Everything seems nice. And if you're really going to push it over 60, it'd be a really good idea to strip it completely and lay down a whole extra layer of fiberglass in the boat, because it was definitely built to be light, not to be super strong, although I wouldn't call it a weak frame. And I got some, it's not finished quite right at all. You see that?
Yeah.
Look at the spot. That's what I get because I always complain about the paint jobs anyways. I hate how the stickers are showing. Could be worse, could be better. Well, we're going to do a little quick buoyancy test. Yeah, it's got some scratches on it too. You're going to do a buoyancy test, then we're going to check the electronics, and then we're going to go to bed because it's late. But thank you for this quick unboxing and review. See if I'm forgetting anything about this boat. That's really it. The secret's there. I had somebody out with the Traxxas boat. I'm pretty sure he wasn't running 4S. And I was flying past his boats with this thing on 4S. That's what really made me enjoy it. No, we're gonna take off. We'll see y'all later. Thanks for stopping by. You gonna say goodbye? You gonna say bye-bye? Bye-bye. No, bye-bye.